I want to talk about fake friends, but because I already started talking about marriage, let's continue. It was Father's Day a few weeks ago, and I remembered my dad. He passed away 3 years ago, but I still miss him. I don't have a perfect relationship with my parents, but they treated me with love and care. They showed me what real love is, and I saw how they prioritized my needs over theirs as I grew up. Because of them, I learned not to accept the bare minimum kind of love. Some people want to be in a relationship because they want to be happy, and others are scared of being alone, so they just settle with anyone. But please, choose your partner wisely. You can choose anyone you want to be your spouse, but your children cannot choose their father or mother. Parenting affects children's lives. Childhood experiences affect adulthood. I know some people who stayed in toxic relationships and tolerated abuse because they grew up with toxic parents. Some of them weren't treated with kindness as they grew up, and now that they're already adults, they're not kind to themselves and let other people step on them. They don't have healthy boundaries in relationships. They are also happy with the bare minimum because real love is foreign to them. If you have toxic parents, I hope you heal from their lack of love and support. And whether you grew up in a loving family or not, I hope you start making better choices and choose a kind partner. But don't choose someone who's too kind to everyone because that's a red flag. Remember, your spouse will affect your life and your children's well-being. I hope you end up with a good person. I also hope you try this 3-cheese pizza. It's delicious and comforting. You can have this anytime you want. Sending hugs and love from me to you, darling.